So today I'm about to show you how to fix audio overview generation stuck errors in NotebookLM. First, if you click generate and the loading wheel stays spinning indefinitely, even if you refresh the page or log out, you are dealing with a stuck session state in your web browser. To force the system to quit, clear your browser cache specifically for the NotebookLM site. Alternatively, trigger a complete hard refresh by pressing Ctrl F5 if you are on Windows or holding down Shift while clicking your browser's reload button on Mac. This clears the frozen animation token and resets the generation button. Next, look closely at your sources panel on the left sidebar. The audio engine will completely freeze if a file is corrupted or still loading. If any document shows a red background or a continuous loading ring, it is breaking the system. Delete this specific failed file immediately to unblock your workspace. Pro tip, the number one reason clean notebooks get stuck is exceeding the processing token limits. And that's it. That's how to fix audio overview generation stuck errors in NotebookLM. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.